Welcome to Oahu MPO's online project database. To access the online database, simply visit the Oahu MPO website, and from there you can navigate to the Oahu Regional Transportation Plan page or the Transportation Improvement Program page. From either page, simply scroll down until you reach the buttons that can be used to access the interactive database. This database contains information on transportation projects like new sidewalks and bike lanes, transit upgrades, safety improvements, and more that are currently planned and/or programmed for development on Oahu as part of the Transportation Improvement Program, or simply the TIP, or the Oahu Regional Transportation Plan, or simply the ORTP. In the top right corner, you will see several tabs you can use to navigate through the website. The Projects tab will display all projects in the TIP and the ORTP. In the top left corner of the Projects page, click the Choose button to select an available plan you'd like to view projects for. You can filter or search projects by project ID, project title, lead agency, project type, State Senate District, State House District, Honolulu City Council District, and Neighborhood Board. You can also use the advanced search option on the right to further narrow your filter or search. If you click on a project, a window will appear with the project information, funding information, and a map of the project. At the top of this window, you can choose to either download a PDF version of this information or share the link. In addition, during the public comment period, you can also share your feedback by clicking Add Comment. Please note that comment buttons are only active during public comment periods. Next, we will go to the Plan Revisions page. This page allows you to view all changes over time. A modification is a small update, like a minor change in cost, while an amendment is a major change, such as adding a new project, which requires public review. Once again, click on the Choose option up at the top to view each available plan. When you click on any of these line items, a window will pop up displaying which projects underwent a modification or an amendment. Finally, we will finish up with the interactive map. This map shows all transportation projects on Oahu. To interact with this map, you can either zoom in to areas of interest, and from here you can view projects and project details, or you can use the filters on the left to sort by project type, funding source, and year programmed. Similar to the Projects and Plan Revisions page, the top left corner allows you to choose which available plan you'd like to view. You can also choose to share your feedback during public comment periods by clicking on the blue comment button. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and please take some time to explore Oahu MPO's online project database.